So, heaps of you asked me how easy it is to change tapes and when to change them. Now look, you should be able to peel the tape off this easy. If it has disintegrated and it's sticky, then it's been on too long and you need to change your tapes more often. I'd give your scalp a rinse as well. And there's no sticky residue. And this is the 1 to 7 day brown tape. Right, so then for taping. So all the way around the edge, back to back it as much as I can. And then I do one down the middle and then one across like a hot cross button. And then this is the most. So I would do this kind of taping. I would just do this kind of taping if I was gonna go swimming, if I'm going out of a night out, if you were gonna wear your hair system to go snowboarding or surfing, anything like that. So 4 fingers, about there. 4, right. Then I don't mess around, just go all the way back. Push it down.